Hello, we're back with some extreme testing of some 3D printed chainmail.
Step 1. 3D printing the mail.
We are using basic PLA from Bamboo Labs without any particular settings on the printer. I've made this stuff myself and it easily comes off the base plate. I've designed this chain on Blender, a 3D software, and it's designed with 2 rivets because if you're going to have chainmail you want it the best, and double riveted is without a shadow of a doubt the best. As you can see, it's quite sturdy. I went through several variations. The first was quite thin. The second one was nice and chunky, and the third one I jammed as many rings as possible on a single plate, and the final was the full sheet. As you can see, the rings aren't indestructible. If forced, they will break, shear, and bend. I'm going to be using an old LARP sword I made a very, very, very long time ago.
Step 1A. Fruitless failed prints.
I tried PETG and ABS, but all of the prints came out terribly. I think it's a setting on my printer. Maybe the filament was too damp, or the printer itself wasn't warm enough to allow each layer to merge together. The PLA came out perfectly. All of the more fancier prints still require work. I got kind of frustrated with how bad they were, so I'm taking a break from that for the moment. Obviously, if anyone has any suggestions or ideas, please give me a poke.
Step 2. Strength test 3-ring weight carry.
The set of links I'm testing here is 3 wide and 8 long. As you can see, the smaller weights are 1 kilogram. The heavier weights are 2.5. So we're currently on 3.5 kilograms and we're fine. Going up to 5 kilograms, no problem at all. 6. Still amazing.
Yes, that is glass. Full.
Yeah, let's... 7, 8 kilograms, still fine. 9, and we're running out of space to put more weights on. We've now got 10, 11 kilograms, and I'm starting to get worried that it's going to catastrophically break something. So let's move the chain to a lower section and we'll have a go. This is 11 kilograms again, and there we go.
Step 3. Squish test. Already running out of ideas. Just hit it already.
To see how resistant the chain is to being crushed, I'm going to put it between 2 hard surfaces and weigh on a load on that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 kilograms. And as you can see, it's perfectly fine.
What did that teach learn you? Why not hit it with hammer, yes?
Okay. I suppose this is test to destruction. Let's hit it with a hammer.
Hammer beats plastic, yes. Step 4, LARP weapon test. Already had the hammer, better be good, great!
We've now pinned the foam to a body form and hitting it with a series of un-LARP safe blows. I promise you, I'm hitting it really hard. I broke my LARP sword.
Sword tip not made by Mimi, made by minion who not know my greatest best secret method.
This sword was one of the first I ever made, and I was experimenting with safe tips. I wouldn't say they're stab proof, but they're certainly a soft tip that won't cause major damage. Let's see, after a series of very hard blows, it's still not broken any.
Foolish minion breaking everything, but C cannot break my mail. Minion make tip. I me make rest. Of course rest of weapon fine good.
Just checking to see if the sword has been damaged by the chain, and only the weak tip seems to have had effect.
Minion finally break ring, not as weak as we suspected.
I've been exercising. Yeah, there you can see the shattered ring. I've been playing about with the chain for quite a long time, roughhousing with it and lightly abusing it.
Over half hour of unsafe hits, only 2 rings of chainmail broken. Proof sign my mail is greatest best.
To fit all of this abuse into a short video, these clips have been sped up 2,000%. I think that proves that at least my mail can take a beating. It will be available on my website, printed and in STL format, as soon as I have one.
Like and subscribe now. Yeah, that'll do.